So first up, it's time to cleanse with our Skino2 Cream Cleanser. This is a non-sensitizing cleanser. It is pH balanced and soap free. It's going to gently and deeply remove all traces of makeup and grime and keep your skin refreshed and rejuvenated. It is most suited to sensitive, dry or mature skins. If you are wearing makeup, we recommend to cleanse twice to ensure all makeup and dirt has been removed from the skin. Our cream cleanser also comes with a free pack of the facial cleansing wipes. The Skino2 facial cleansing wipes are infused with aloe vera. They are alcohol free and they're a fantastic product to tone your skin. You can use these wipes in between each phase instead of rinsing the products as well if you don't have access to a sink or a shower. It's now time to exfoliate with our Micro Cream Exfoliator RP, which stands for retinol palmitate or vitamin A, that is promoting increased cellular renewal and collagen production. This cream will clear away dead skin cells and unclog your pores, leaving your skin feeling smooth, fresh and radiant. It is the most gentle exfoliator in our range and is beneficial for normal, mature, dry or sensitive skins. Our serums all come with a free sheet mask as a gift with purchase. The hyaluronic serum is best suited for aging or dehydrated skin, ultra clear serum for pigmented or dull skin, and the potent C serum for sensitive, scarred, pigmented or red skins. Collagen Renewal Moisturizer is an amazing moisturizer suited for normal, dry or sensitive skin. It is a youth-boosting moisturizer that helps firm and renew your skin and provides an essential daily concentration of collagen, peptides and vitamins to provide intensive moisture to your skin. You can use this daily, morning and night. Hydrating eye cream contains vitamins, plant cell extracts and anti-aging peptides that are clinically proven to help plump, fill and prevent fine lines. The eye cream is also great to use on lip lines, crow's feet, frown and forehead lines and will give you an instant, youthful, plump glow. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below, DM us on Instagram or Facebook, or call our customer service line and one of our professional, friendly team members will be able to help select the right products for you.